Hi, I'm Jules with IMTS TV. I'm here with Graham Hargraves with Mastercam, and we're talking about the Create Escape curriculum today. So Graham, tell us more about this curriculum.
So one of our industrial customers, his name is Paul Schmidt. He's a veteran of the skateboard industry. He's made skateboard decks for the pros for over 20 years, maybe 30 years. His way of giving back and trying to get students interested in manufacturing, because through skateboarding, which is his passion obviously, is this program where he teaches material science. He brings out different types of woods, composites, metals, and he just shows the students the different properties that make up these materials. And then he takes it a step further and brings out a skateboard and shows them how to cut a skateboard. So it's a cool project. It's obviously project based, and he's really just aiming to show students what they can do in manufacturing. Sometimes, there's a negative stigma about the industry. It's, dirty, dingy, not very fun, not making very cool things, and he's trying to dispel that.
Oh, that's awesome. So how can we find out more about this at IMTS?
So at IMTS, you can come down to our booth in the Student Summit, which is right here. It's booth 215, 210, and every single day, he'll be doing 4 presentations in the booth from 11, 11:30, 12, and 12:30.
Oh, that's awesome. So they can come down here and learn more about the Create Escape curriculum. And if someone can't attend this week, how can they find out more information?
You can find out more information on www.mastercam.com. You can check out all of our social media pages. Pretty standard there.
Awesome.
You can also check out createescape.org.
Awesome. So tell me about a specific lesson with the Create Escape curriculum.
So what he's going to do is he will take a small piece of, I believe, maple, and he's going to have the kids actually break it and just show the material makeup of that wood, and then he'll compare with other types of woods with different densities and just try to get the kids interested in different types of wood and different types of materials in their makeups out there. So it's a hands-on learning experience. It's very quick, and then he goes into the skateboard side, which is what the kids are really, really interested in.
Oh, that's awesome. So why is it so important to get manufacturing and engineering into the classroom?
Well, we all know about, the skills gap. There's a lot of older generation retiring right now, and we need to fill those highly skilled jobs that, they're leaving out in the industry. There's, in the next few years, there's going to be a huge backlog and a huge need to have people coming out of school with the skills to be able to kind of plug and play and get into the industry.
That totally makes sense. So what else is Mastercam doing at IMTS?
So at IMTS, we have a lot of stuff going on. We have, like I said, the Create Escape presentations. We have at 11:30 every single day a instructor-driven certification presentation in the next booth over. Then we also have an industrial booth up in the East Hall on the lakeside. And up there is where we're talking to industry and showing what's new in Mastercam 2019. And also Thursday, we're doing a customer appreciation day where we're rolling out our new Masters of Cam campaign. It'll be a website that's coming out soon, and it's where any user out there, any Mastercam user, can go and upload their work and share their passion, and then we kind of help promote them and the amazing things that they're doing. So all throughout the day on Thursday, we'll be giving out shirts. We have an event at night. If you're interested, stop by the booth and we can give you a little more information on it.
That's so cool. So let me loop back around real quick. Can you tell me a little bit more about the learning lab that you're having about certification?
Sure. So like I said, it's driven towards instructors. I'll be doing the presentation at 11:30, and it's just to show instructors the importance of certifying students and preparing them for the industry. When they're certified with Mastercam, they have a pretty good chance of employment right outside of their education, because we are the most widely used CAM software out there, so the most shops are using it, the most schools are teaching it, so once again, we're helping, fill that skills gap.
That's excellent. So if they can't make that, where can they find that more information?
More information on that, they can also go to www.mastercam.com.
Awesome. And then one more thing, you mentioned Thursday is the big day
Yep.
for the Master of Cam, which I think is a really cool way of involving the community. So is there anything else people need to know about that?
Well, Thursday's the day. Stop by the booth. We're giving away shirts. We have a lot of other giveaways. We're just trying to let people know what's coming down the pike with this program. And our goal there is it's our 35th year in business. We want to thank all of our customers out there for getting us to where we are and launching us into the next 35 years. So it's just us saying thank you. It's a big appreciation day, and it's beyond just Thursday. It's the entire week, but that's really the main day.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you so much for joining us. And that was Graham Hargraves with Mastercam, and I'm Jules McGuire with IMTS TV.